Welcome to TBK Career Point. So here is an opportunity for 2024 and 2025 graduates and current final years and third years ki engineering internship. లొకేషన్ వచ్చేసి హైదరాబాదు బెంగళూరు ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇంకా చెన్నై కూడా ఉంది. ఒకసారి ఈ కంపెనీ వచ్చేసి క్వాల్కమ్ ఇండియా ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్. సో Qualcomm is a company of inventors that unlock 5G in an age of rapid acceleration and connectivity and the new possibilities that will transform industries, create jobs, and enrich lives. General summary check. We are looking for bachelor's or master's in triple E, CSC, ECE, graduating in 2024 and 2025. So triple E students, triple E, CSC, ECE students can apply for it. So 2 to 6 months on the internship with the good understanding of OS concept to data structures, C++. 2025 అయితే must be available for 11 months internship. July to next June 2025 వరకు ఉంటుంది internship. So interested students can apply for it. Link is provided in the description box and share to your friends also, those who are in need, and like the video. Thank you all.